King Solomon was a wise and powerful ruler. He could understand the language of animals and even command the wind and the jinn. But one day, he noticed that someone from his kingdom was missing. "Where is the Hoopoe bird?" Solomon asked. "If he has no good reason for his absence, he will be punished." The Hoopoe soon returned with urgent news. "I have discovered a distant land ruled by Queen Sheba. She is rich and powerful, but her people worship the sun instead of God." King Solomon decided to send a letter inviting Queen Sheba to worship the one true God. He gave the letter to the Hoopoe and sent it on its way. When Queen Sheba received the letter, she was amazed. "Who is this Solomon, and how does he know about me?" She wondered. Curious about Solomon's wisdom, Queen Sheba traveled to meet him. When she arrived, she was astonished by his palace and knowledge. After hearing Solomon's wisdom, Queen Sheba realized the truth. She accepted the one true God and became a believer.